What's up YouTube? What's up YouTube? Welcome to a new vlog. Ray here, and I'm excited today to bring to you a new video. And so we're all been in quarantine, and I've realized that because of staying inside a lot, my house smells not that well really. So I got an idea. Instead of I've been using this to make my house smell fresh, or we all have one of these, the air fresheners. But I'm not gonna use that today. I'm gonna take you with me. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be using to make my house smell good, and you guys can also use it, and it's really amazing. All right, I'm gonna change really quickly and then take you guys with me. Let's go.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Oh my god. All right guys, that's it. That's the video I want to share with you guys. Getting some flowers, buy some flowers, getting a good smell in the house, all through the house, all naturally. I love them. Look at them back there. Looks amazing really. All right guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe down below.